Stop skipping this video if you want to speak English fluently. Welcome to Flow Speak English. In this video, you'll learn the easiest way to improve your English listening skills. Many learners can read and write, but they find listening very difficult. Don't worry. Today, I'll guide you step by step. So find a quiet place, relax your mind, and just listen carefully. Ready? Let's begin your listening journey with Flow Speak English. Part 1: Why listening is important. Listening is the first step to understanding English. Before you speak, you must learn to listen. When you listen, you learn how real people talk, their accent, tone, and speed. Listening helps you think in English. The more you listen, the more natural your English becomes. So remember, good speakers are always good listeners first. Part 2: Simple tips to improve listening. Tip number 1: listen every day. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Tip number 2: don't translate in your mind. Just listen for the meaning, not every single word. Tip number 3: use easy English videos or podcasts. Beginners should start with slow and clear audio. Tip number 4: repeat what you hear. Try to copy the speaker's voice, tone, and pronunciation. This method is called shadowing, and it really works. Tip number 5: write what you hear. This helps you connect listening and writing skills together. Now let's practice 200 easy sentences. I will say each sentence twice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Part 1: Daily Life. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I study English. I study English. I come back home. I come back home. I watch TV. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Hot beverage part 2: common actions. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. I am cooking food. I am cooking food. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am walking to school. I am walking to school. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my friend. I am using my phone. I am using my phone. Speech balloon part 3: talking about feelings. I am happy today. I am happy today. I feel tired. I feel tired. I am excited. I am excited. I feel sad. I feel sad. I am angry. I am angry. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am confident. I am confident. House part 4: home and family. This is my home. This is my home. I live with my parents. I live with my parents. I love my family. I love my family. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking. My father is working. My father is working. My brother is playing. My brother is playing. My sister is studying. My sister is studying. I help my mother. I help my mother. We eat dinner together. We eat dinner together. We watch movies on weekends. We watch movies on weekends. Part 5. School and Study. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. I like my teacher. I like my teacher. I learn new things. I learn new things. I do my homework. I do my homework. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I read English books. I read English books. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I ask questions. I ask questions. I like to learn. I like to learn. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class. Sub-behind rain cloud part 6. Weather in nature. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. It is raining now. It is raining now. It is very hot. It is very hot. It is very cold. It is very cold. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The stars are bright. The stars are bright. Person walking part 7. Talking about yourself. My name is Anas. My name is Anas. I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. I am a student. I like to learn English. I like to learn English. I am learning every day. I am learning every day. I want to speak fluently. I want to speak fluently. I love to meet new people. I love to meet new people. I am friendly. I am friendly. I am honest. I am honest. I am hardworking. I am hardworking. Briefcase Part 8. Work and Jobs. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. I like my job. I like my job. I work with my team. I work with my team. I write emails. I write emails. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I help my coworkers. I help my coworkers. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at work. I finish my tasks on time. I finish my tasks on time. I go home after work. I go home after work. I go to the market. I go to the market. I take a bus. I take a bus. I walk to the park. I walk to the park. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I visit new places. I visit new places. I travel with friends. I travel with friends. I go shopping. I go shopping. I like long drives. I like long drives. I take pictures. I take pictures. I return home safely. I return home safely. Brain Part 10. thoughts and motivation. I can do it. I can do it. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I never give up. I never give up. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I keep trying. I keep trying. I want to improve. I want to improve. I am getting better. I am getting better. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am confident. I am confident. I love learning English. I love learning English. Let's build a simple daily routine for English listening. In the morning, listen to one short English podcast. During lunch, watch a short English video with subtitles. In the evening, listen to one English song and read the lyrics. Before sleeping, listen to one short story in English. If you follow this routine, your listening will improve faster than you imagine. Remember, English is not learned in one day, it's learned step by step. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Every word you hear builds your English brain. You're doing great. Never stop learning. Thanks for watching Flow Speak English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day. See you in the next video, and keep speaking English with Flow. Speech Balloon Headphone.